If your pool pump timer is acting up, it can totally mess with your pool maintenance routine and energy bills. So, first, try resetting the timer because sometimes it just needs a quick reboot to get back on track. Make sure the timer is plugged in properly and that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. This is a classic, easy fix. Check the settings on the timer dial or digital display to see if the times are set correctly, like when you want the pump to run and stop. If you have a mechanical timer, make sure the pins or tabs are pushed in or out to match your schedule. For digital timers, double check that you have the correct AM and PM settings. It's easy to mess this up. If the timer still doesn't operate as expected after resetting and checking settings, it might be faulty and need replacing. Before buying a new one, take a look at the wiring to ensure everything is connected properly and there's no visible damage or corrosion. And if you're not comfortable working with electrical components, it's smart to call a pro to avoid any risk. One of the biggest issues with pool pump timers is incorrect programming, which makes the pump run at weird times or not at all. Fix it by double-checking those settings each season. Another common problem is a faulty timer mechanism that just wears out over time. Replacing the timer usually solves this without needing a full pump replacement. Lastly, loose or damaged wiring can cause intermittent operation or prevent the timer from working. Inspecting and tightening connections or swapping out damaged wires can get things humming again. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to pool equipment and repairs. Plus, it helps contractors connect with clients who need their services, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.